How to fix audio issues on Amazon Prime Video. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing audio issues while playing videos on Amazon Prime, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this. Step 1 is to check if the issue is on Amazon Prime server. For that, open up any web browser and head over to downdetector.com. Now tap on the search bar and search for Amazon Prime Video. If there is any issue with Amazon Prime Video server, it is going to show up over here. If it shows up, then you might want to check after 1 or 2 hours. After that time, the issue will be resolved and you will be able to watch the video without any issue. The next thing you want to do is make sure that your Amazon Prime Video app is updated to the latest version. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for Amazon Prime. Here, if you find the update button, simply tap on it and update this application to the latest version. Once that is done, you want to check if the issue has been resolved. If it is still not resolved, then you want to tap on the uninstall button. Then uninstall this application. Once it has been uninstalled, install it again and check. You might also want to restart your device, switch it on again and check if that fixes your issue. If none of these things fixes your problem, then contact the customer support of Amazon Prime Video. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.